Hi friends, hi. Welcome again back to my channel, friends in new life. I want to talk today about my runners of my strawberry plant. I had some strawberry plant. They are growing so wide. It was a small plant, and I want to talk about my Finnish strawberry, which I got from my brothers and sisters from Finland. They sent me this plant. I tried to plant it, and some of them they made it, and the few that made it, only one even made it. This yellow one, this pink flower here is the one I got from Finland. It's just a few months ago. It's growing so wide. So brother Sako, thank you for sending me this Finnish strawberry. It is it here. It's doing so great. So I want to talk today about the runners. You can see the runners. I've been trying to propagate the runners, and I had two here before, and I cut them away and put them inside the oil. You see how much is growing, and so much runners. It's amazing. So how do you do the runners if you have plant? Why I'm doing the runners and keeping the runners is because of the strawberry plant from Finland that I have. Since it's only one that made it, and I planted it here, so since then I'm trying to propagate it, you see. So I use this cup, like this cup here, to put the runners inside. Let me cut one of these runners now outside. Yeah, let's cut it. And here, for example, and then you can see the runners here. I put it in this cell, so now I can continue to grow it. This is another one here, another one of the other runners, and I will just try to put it in the soil. And let me see. Okay, I can also cut this one here. This one, you see, it's already start growing in the ground, so I can also trim this one also, and then continue to plant it. I can cut it from here. I can cut it from here. Let's cut this one also, like this one here. So if you cut that, and then you can see how it already start forming some roots. So these are the runners I'm talking about, so you can now plant it inside the ground, and then it will continue to do well. Let me put it in the ground. I'll continue, because see, it already start forming roots. That is how I do it. You just put it now in the ground, and it will just continue to grow from there. That's how I propagate the runners. It's because of the Finnish plant, the Finnish strawberry that I got, and I'm planting it here in Calgary in Canada. So I want to have it more here in my garden, so I'm trying to have more of it. I really want to make all this bed to become more of a strawberry. And let me see this other runners, if I can also put it in the ground. Yeah, I can also use this area. Let me see, I can take out some stuff from here. All these ones, and the season is almost over, so let me remove all this out of here and put this strawberry. I'll put this strawberry here in this area. I want to propagate this one, so let me make the ground. And then this is the Finnish one, the Finnish strawberry. It already start to form roots. You see the roots here. That is how to do the runners, and to put the roots inside. So I have some ground Add more ground. This is a Finnish strawberry. Praise God. So I have now three Finnish strawberry plants that have propagated through these runners. 3 of them. So this is one here, and this is the original plant here. This one here in this big pot. It was just one single plant, and see how great it's doing. So this is the first one, and this one is the Canadian one that I planted. Also one of it is also doing very well, and also this one here, this strawberry plant, they are going crazy. It's doing so well. So there are even small runners. See, I cut some of the runners. There are even more runners. So well, I hope you enjoy this. That is how you can propagate your runners. This is the other Finnish one that I did 2 weeks ago, and it already started. You can see it here, and stays it here. You can see it already starts forming another head. So I have now 1, 2, 3, only from one strawberry plant, the one from Finland. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and to know how to propagate your own strawberry plant. Even if you have one plant, you can propagate it and make it to have many heads and many plants, and you can have a whole strawberry patch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.